Myntri bapet ya Tnad Ialehkai ke Sorkar ba wailat miki Shillong ulaya thu ba kinu kinong Ialehkai na kejela lada ki Khur Takma hakan National Games hau ar punyau ka kam Sorkar kala ap tepai ki. Habakran berkilat pathai Khubor uba wailat miki ulong bakani karai kiladap ban penbena haus nam baladap bat mentaru udang penbena biang kumju ban ai mensim bat penslur ya kinong Ialehkai bakin Ialehbah.
Definitely, because what we really desire is not that just to host this game. We also want that our athletes and our players to perform well, and that's why for their encouragement with the government and from the sports department, we have passed the policy of the Meghalaya Outstanding Direct Appointment policy, where anybody. Starting actually we are trying that even from last year national game also for those medal winners also will be included where they will be given the job. So from next year onward, that whoever will bring medal from the national game itself, they will get a government job. So I think it's a huge encouragement for our athletes, our players, and even for the parent to support them. And at the same time, we really want to have a good show. I mean, like would see that the performance of Meghalaya also will improve. So that's why you have seen that from the sports department, we have decentralized everything. It's not that like in the past, with due respect, I've seen many associations have to come and beg to the sports department, please give us this, please give us that. But now we have seen from the last year itself that we have released all 39 crores we have sanctioned for the team preparation, where we no doubt since we are giving money, so there should be accountability. So we have given some set of guidelines that you have to fulfill. So we have given the money to all the association where they can buy equipments, they can hire human resource and other things. So we are trying to decentralize these things so they can prepare our athletes. And because of all this initiative, I would say, I think that's why in the recently concluded Khelo India tribal game, the performance of Meghalaya was tremendous. Where the rank last year Meghalaya rank in the Khelo India tribal game was 29, but this year it's a huge jump from 29 to 13th. We finished 13, and we'll continue to work hard and we'll continue to support the association and the athlete, and I'm quite sure that next year we'll enter top 5 and therefore and hopefully will be on the top. So I think because of all this initiative and all this effort, and I think the result also you could see it. So with all this, I'm quite confident that it's not only will be able to host the national game, but will also will perform well.